Hi, welcome to Don's Manufactory. Well, we are still working on my brother's FE 390 here. We got the cam out, got the cam in, but there's a few things we have to get done. Namely, going to have to surface these exhaust manifolds. They won't seal up to the heads. Okay, and so here's the cylinder heads here. It's an Edelbrock top end kit. Pretty cool. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not home, so there won't be a video, a full production video. But I thought I'd just show you a few of the things. Like here's Betsy over here at his property, and see he's got another little video right there. Another Mustang right there. But he has another one. You've got to see this. This is the cutest thing ever. It's a little golf cart that looks just like a Mustang. Just unbelievable. Even down to the taillights in the back, see? Pretty dang neat. Anyway, then you look in the shop behind me here. Oh yeah, there's a, see, well, let me see. Let me get my arm pointing in the right direction there. Okay, Challenger. Up on the rack is yet another Torino. And there's also a 63 Falcon gasser that's called Dirty Bird. And then over here is the 60 Chevrolet wagon that he's been working on. He just painted the top on it and he's going through it. We're going to rebuild the 348 for it. And I thought this was really cute too. It's a little Ford tractor. He's got it geared so it'll go road speeds, and he drives it around this place. Pretty cool. I mean, there's a lot of really neat stuff here. Here's the valley out overlooking, his deck overlooking the valley out here in Central Oregon. All those motorcycle trails all over down there. Anyway, that's why won't be getting a full-size video from me this week, because I'm here helping him on his car and I'm not home making videos. Okay, thanks for watching Don's Manufactory, and you'll be hearing from me soon.